Hi, I'm Steve with Maxtec, and on this episode of Minute with Maxtec, we're going to show you the unboxing of our Universal Humidifier Bracket, part number R100P44. Now this process is similar to our Universal Blender Bracket R100P26. Inside the package, you'll notice a 4mm Allen wrench for changing the location of the slide bracket, as well as the bracket inside of a bubble wrap bag. Our brackets are manufactured right here in Salt Lake City, machined with high-quality aluminum. The universal bracket is designed to work across 1 to 2 inch pole diameters or on your equipment's rail mount. There's also several hole patterns where you can align the slide bracket to multiple configurations. Using your 4mm Allen wrench, loosen the Allen screws. Then reattach the slide bracket in the configuration you desire, noting that the pins on the bottom of the slide bracket should be on the bottom of your bracket and your equipment. Tighten the screws hand tight so they don't come loose while the equipment is attached. When searching for the perfect bracket to mount your humidifiers or blenders, think of Maxtec. Visit us at maxtec.com for more information.